Hi guys, my name is Ruth Hassan. I'm the creative director of Rutem Vogue Fashion Academy. So here we are going to be learning how to take a basic body measurement, a detailed video on how you're going to learn and it's a beginner friendly. So here come my model I'll be using. So Shu will be my model that I'll be using to take the measurement. So stay tuned if it is what you want to learn. So we'll be using our tape. Then this is a string that I'll be using as a guide. You'll find the tiniest place in your waist there. I ask her to bend so that we'll get the waist measurement. Bend, you see, she bend a little. You can see that part. That part is going to be our waist measurement. So I'll be using the string to tie it round so that it will serve as a guide for me to take the measurement. I will know where my waist measurement is going to get to. So I'm trying to tie it down so that it will be firm. Hope you guys understand what I'm doing here. So I want to make it firm. Yeah, I still ask her to bend so that we'll get it. You can see that part is kind of, your hand can go deep inside. You see, that's the part you use for your waist measurement. So we'll be taking from the shoulder to nipple points. But first of all, look at where I placed my tape from. You place your tape from the upper part of your shoulder, not downward. No, it's not allowed. No, not even like this. No, you don't place your tip like that. You go to upper part of your shoulder, place it just the way you see me doing like this. Then we'll take our shoulder to nipple points measurements. You can see from the video, you can see where our nipple point measurement is. Yeah, that's the point for the nipple point measurements. Then you go to the under bust. You can see the under bust. You can see the way I'm lifting the bust. If you are taking a measurement from shoulder to under bust, use your hand to like lift the bust a little bit. Just look at the way I'm doing. Then from there you take to your waist measurement. You can see the string will tie. It's now serving as a guide for us. So you can see that's where our shoulder to waist measurement is. Hope you can see. Then from there you take your half, if you are making for a gown, you take the length of the gown where you want the gown to get to. So I'm asking her to use her hand to hold it for me. That's if you are taking for a short gown. But if you are taking for a long gown, you can see the way I used my tape. When we are getting to the knee point, I bend my tape. You can see I bend, not like this. No, this is not how to take a proper measurement for a long flowing gown. No, you don't go like that. You have to bend sideways like this. Yes, this is how to take your full length measurement. So now we'll be taking our bust measurements. This is our bust measurement. You wrap your tape around the bust, then use your hand, use one finger in between to check the flexibility of your tape. You can see the way my tape is moving. If your tape is not flexible and it can't move when you dip one finger inside, then you know it's too tight, you free it a bit. Then you take your under bust measurements. Wrap your tape around your under bust. See, you can see. I still check for the flexibility of my tape. You see that it's firm. Then take your waist measurement. Round that's where we tied our string. Yes, you take that is where you take your waist measurement. You see, I also check for the flexibility. Then from that same string, you take from down to our hip measurement. You can see the biggest part of our boobs. Look at it. Take from the waist to where the hip measurement will start from. You can see that. Then from there we'll turn back, we take the shoulder measurement. Look at the way I'm placing my tape for the shoulder measurement. Place it like this. Hope you can see through. Yes, place it like this to get your shoulder measurement. From there, I advise almost immediately you take your shoulder measurement like this. Then, okay, first take your half length measurement for the back. You can see why we tie this string to serve as a guide. You see why it is important. You see the front is always longer than the back. You see, the back measurement is shorter for the half length, so that's why it's always advisable you tie this trim around the waist to serve as a guide. Then from there you take your just place your shoulder measurement to take your sleeve measurement. See, I place it. Then when your shoulder measurement stop, you take your sleeve measurement. If you are taking a round sleeve, if you are making for a half length, shoulder to your elbow, depending on what you are making and how long you want your sleeve length to be. Yes, so you place your tape. Then you take your round sleeve measurements like this. You can see you still check for the round flexibility. Then still take for your biceps. Take your biceps measurement too. Then take in the round of your elbow. That is, we're making for a long sleeve. You take the round measurement, still take the round measurement so that the clothes we have, the sleeve rather, we have fitting. Hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. Then you take your round hip measurement. You can see we place our tape around to that point where we took our waist to hip measurement. You can see the bigger part of the hip. Still check for the flexibility of your tape. Make sure your tape is flexible. You can see that's that spot that we took the measurement. That's where you place it to take your round hip measurement. So that is the basic measurement you need to know for to make your dress. This is basic, this is not advanced. This is basic measurements. Let me know if you want me to do for the advanced measurement for the corsetry and the rest. But this is beginner friendly. You can just know how to take all these basic measurements. You can make your gown, make your short gown, your long sleeves. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you guys. If you want me to do a trouser tutorial, let me